Hey everyone, Vince here. Today I'm going to show you 2 different ways that you can earn money online right now. I hope you enjoy. Let's kick this off. So the first website is called Idle Empire. And this is what the Idle Empire website looks like once you sign in. You can earn real money simply by completing surveys or completing offers. But not only that everyone, you can even watch videos as well to generate real cash. In the top right corner of the screen, you can find the menu button. Here is where you'll find all the tabs on the Idle Empire website. First thing I recommend you do is complete your profile. So at least for me here in Australia, there are 76 different questions that I have to answer on Idle Empire to 100% complete my account to get every single earning opportunity unlocked on their platform. So I highly recommend you go through and answer every single area of this questionnaire. Idle Empire literally states here that answering profile questions will allow you to receive more survey opportunities. Now heading over to the withdraw area will allow you to scroll through all of the various cash outs that Idle Empire has, and I have to say everyone, Idle Empire is available in multiple countries, which really does make it a fantastic platform overall. But what really stands out is the insane amount of cash out options. Like Idle Empire easily has over 50 different cash out options, at least in my country of Australia. Whether it be gaming cash outs or Amazon cash outs, Apple, iTunes. Idle Empire really does have it all except for PayPal withdrawals. At least here in Australia, PayPal is not available. Interesting enough, various cryptocurrencies are also available. So what you'll notice on Idle Empire is that there's a coin-based currency system. Now, depending on your country, the amount of coins that you're going to need to withdraw on Idle Empire is going to be completely different. So please keep this in mind. But for $10 worth of Australian currency, I need 70,000 of the coins. So at least that's how I can break down the currency on Idle Empire. For American users, $5 USD of Amazon is 58,600 of the coins. So roughly about 10,000 coins equals $1. Now tapping on the Earn tab is going to take you to the main earning screen. Tapping on the Surveys button is going to reveal all the various survey providers that Idle Empire has. Now again, I know that surveys aren't for everyone out there, but what you'll notice here is that you can generally earn around almost $1 per survey on Idle Empire. Of course, prices are going to vary though, but what's nice about Idle Empire is that they give you a preview of the coins that you can earn through different providers, okay? Of course, you want to try and go for the highest paying surveys. Always keep in mind though, with surveys, there's no guarantee and disqualifications do run rampant, alright? But from what I can see, we have over 10 different survey providers, which is fantastic. Now, when it comes to the offer wall area of Idle Empire, there are about 10 different offer walls that you can also go through, all with their own prices. For instance, we have the 8-gate rewards offer wall, which is supposedly one of the top ones on Idle Empire. And you can see here, we have offers that are willing to pay hundreds of thousands of these coins. Now, granted, that means they obviously are a little bit more difficult than the other ones on the list. So that's why you simply scroll through and find the ones that you think would actually be worth your time, everyone. Remember, roughly 70,000 of the coins will equal $10. And here we have a Mafia City offer for 1.9 million of the coins, whereas we have a Grab a Toy offer for 575,000, Space Debris one for 202,000, Magnet Miner for 560,000. Really cool stuff once you think about it for the people that have the time to invest into offer walls. I'm obviously not going to go through every single one of these offer walls because it would take way too long, but my advice would be to browse through each of them to compare the prices for certain offers, because you might find the same one on a different offer wall with a different price. Interesting enough, on Offertoro, we have a Chief Almighty offer for 1.2 million of the coins, Mafia City following behind there, almost 1 million of the coins, Jewel Cash, almost 600,000 of the coins, and then continuing to scroll down here with all these various high-paying offers. Fantastic stuff, everyone. I am not seeing a huge chunk of revenue being cut by the owners of Idle Empire, which is absolutely great to see, because a lot of these get paid to platforms will end up taking so much of your profits, which is so frustrating. Next, we have a very underrated area of Idle Empire, which is the videos area. You can see here it says watch unlimited videos. You see, for the people that don't really want to complete surveys or offers, Idle Empire has the video section through Hideout TV. On Idle Empire, you earn 9 Hideout points for every 3 advertisements, which is 50 of the coins on Idle Empire. Now you see, this is what it looks like when you launch the Hideout TV area. We have a little video trying to launch an advertisement before it starts. What you'll notice as well is that I have 27.8 of the Hideout points. You can see here 27 of my Hideout points convert into 150 Idle Empire coins. Something that I want to make clear straight off the bat, even though I did say this is an underrated area of Idle Empire, that doesn't make it like a fast way to earn the coins. To put into perspective, you'd easily need a few hours to even generate anything close to $1. But I do know people out there that will leave these videos playing 24/7 to try and generate that revenue. Whether or not you want to do that, that's up to you, but I'm just showing you what's available. You can also earn by referring people to Idle Empire as well. You can get a 20% lifetime commission on referees, and you earn 50 coins for every new referral, and the person using your code, aka you, will earn 500 coins when you join through my referral link. Completely up to you if you want to join, but at least you get the free 500 coins, everyone. There's also the promotions tab. These are like little tasks that Idle Empire will give you for a minuscule amount of coins in my opinion, but the option is there. There are also boosters. As you can see, each of these tabs has like an 8% boost. Boosters are supposedly created randomly, and you can find out more about these boosters on the Idle Empire Discord and their other social medias. For today's video on Idle Empire, I chose the Amazon withdrawal. What you're seeing on the screen right now is what happens when you try and withdraw anything from Idle Empire. My cash out was put on hold, everyone, until it was manually reviewed because I withdrew over 50,000 coins at a time. Well, everyone, I'm super happy to say that Idle Empire paid me literally within 2 hours after activating my Amazon withdrawal. So I can 100% confirm that it is legit at the time of this recording and in my experience. Now, let's move on to the next method. Next up, we have PrizeRebel. So this is what PrizeRebel's website looks like. If you've never heard of it before, essentially you have a coin-based currency where 100 coins equals $1 worth of USD. And you can earn thousands of these coins by either completing surveys, completing offers, and even watching videos. But where it really shines is its cash out options. Left side of the screen, you're going to find the menu. Here is where you have the Earn tab and the Rewards tab. You can also invite your friends and enter giveaways, but we'll get into that in a second. Going to the Rewards tab will allow you to browse easily over 50 to 100 different cash out options, including PayPal, which starts at 500 coins, aka $5 USD, and various other local gift cards, and of course, online currencies, even including Amazon, everyone, eBay, Roblox. The list just keeps going on and on. It is ridiculous, but in the best way possible. My advice would be to actually search for what you want. You can see here that I can filter through the newest gift cards that are only between $1 and $5, online games, PayPal. The fact that the minimum cash out is between $1 and $5 is absolutely outstanding in my opinion. Now, heading to the earn area, checking out the surveys first, what you'll notice straight away at the top of the screen is that there are multiple survey providers that PrizeRebel will allow you to go through to generate these coins. You can see here I have a list of surveys instantly willing to pay at the top there $1.66 USD for 15 minutes of my time. And if I'm to browse through the different providers, just looking at Taluna for instance, you can see two other options here, 9-minute survey for $1 USD and 12-minute survey for another $1 USD. And then we have even more surveys paying $1 each on the say-so provider. Essentially, go through each of the providers, find the best price for you that's worth your time. Now, heading over to the offer walls. Again, everyone, same exact situation for the offer walls. So many different options for us to go through to generate these coins. And remember, you can even watch videos. And you can do that by using the Lootably offer wall, which we'll look at in a second here. This is the AdGate offer wall. For example, you can see a Gold and Goblins Idle merger offer. And that's for 2,000 coins, which converts into $20 USD. A Grab the Toy offer for $69 USD. A Mafia City offer for 22,000 of the coins, almost 23,000, which is almost $230 USD. Looking at Offertora here, we have a Chief Almighty offer, 16,000 of the coins, which is $160 USD currency. Mafia City offer, 10,000 of the coins, which is $100 USD. And then continuing to scroll down here, you can see multiple offers all paying into the high $50 and above. These type of rewards are absolutely outstanding in my opinion. PrizeRebel has some of the highest paying offers that I've seen in a long time. And to give you even further breakdown here of the currency, you can see for the $100 USD PayPal withdrawal, I'll need 10,000 of the coins. So yes, technically this Mafia City offer that has many different tiers to the rewards, you will notice that a lot of these offers do this, by the way. They don't just give you one single task. I'll make you go through like a whole list of different tasks with different reward prices. But if I complete every single one of these tasks, I'll earn over $230 USD almost. But now looking at the video area of PrizeRebel, let's just say I want to go to Loot TV Gaming. The same exact concept applies here to Loot TV that we had on Idle Empire as well. We watch advertisements to generate the coins. Pretty straightforward. So on PrizeRebel, 20 of the Loot TV points equals 1.2 of the coins. So keep that in mind. Again, not for everyone, but at least the option is there for people that like to watch the videos. On PrizeRebel as well, whoever you refer, you earn 25% of their earnings for free without affecting them. If you guys want to support me on PrizeRebel, you're more than welcome to join through my referral in the description below. There are also raffle giveaways on PrizeRebel, where every single week, various gift cards are given away for free to the community. You can see here that we have a $50 Amazon gift card I can enter into right now, as well as a $20 Amazon gift card, Sephora, and even Barnes & Noble. It even tells you the upcoming raffles as well. There is also a ranking system as well on PrizeRebel, where as you can see, different tiers will give you different bonuses. So the more people you refer, or the more active you are, the better your account's going to be. So for today's video, everyone, I withdrew $10 worth of PayPal currency, and I'm extremely happy to say I was paid out that $10 USD instantly to my PayPal account without any issues whatsoever. Please hit like and subscribe if you enjoyed, drop a comment, check out my channel for hundreds of other videos. Stay safe out there, see you soon.